Someone fault, then our lecture zone. This we have been discussing. Remember now this transfer margin. Now this fault will extend when does it go? It goes. See this one. Do you see this map? ये आता है ना ऐसा करके. You see ना? You see it goes through this plateau, China plateau. It goes like this. Something here is written here. Baikal Lake. What the name of Baikal Lake? So that is situated on this transfer margin. That is situated on this transfer. Similarly, that day we saw na, west coast of America. This is your what is that? San Andreas Fault. Here is your Bay of California. That is what? So both the things have a similar system. Both the things are part of what? Can you tell me? Extensional tectonics along the transfer margins. Why this extensional tectonic happens? I told you here. Here the faults are like this. The right lateral fault. Right lateral fault. What arrangement? Like right hand arrangement. Right lateral, right hand arrangements. So in everywhere you put one arrow like this. Everywhere you put arrow. Same sense of shear. And we see what is happening with these overlapping areas. Overlapping areas. You see this area is facing these two arrows. So you will get this extension here. Extension. That is called transtension. So because of this transtension, like this, यहाँ एक बेसिन हो जाएगा, इधर एक बेसिन हो जाएगा, ऐसा, इधर एक बेसिन हो जाएगा. Like this, so many basins will open up. Pull apart basin. They are called pull apart basins. So much so that even the lithospheric crust will open up. Basaltic mud is moving happen, creating ocean floors. Creating ocean floors. New crust will be created. If it is a transtensional margin. If it is a transpressional margin, the fold belt will be created, thrust belt will be created. So, along the transfer margin, you can have both the things, a extension or compression, depending on the arrangements. Similarly, this Baikal Lake. Baikal Lake. Can you just draw for Baikal Lake? How it is opening up? Suppose I will say this is a right lateral movement. I will give you some arrangement to you. You just tell me this is the, you are understanding or not? Just listening. Suppose the left lateral arrangement I am giving for Owen fracture. This is the Owen fracture. The left lateral arrangement. This block is coming this way. This block is going this way. So how a basin is opening up here? So this is the fault. This is the fault. So what type of arrangement I will make? Left hand. Understood? Now what I will do? So where are the overlapping areas? Overlapping areas are here. ये overlapping area है, ये overlapping area. So overlapping areas are facing these arrows. These arrows. So they will open up here. So you will get a basin. You join them like this. So this is the area, you know, where basin will form. So together, you know, it will form a lake or basin or a bay. These are a combination of pull apart basins. You understand this part? So you can explain why this basin is opening up along a transfer margin. Along a transfer margin. Right? Now, these are also called leaky transform fault. Where this type of basins are opening up, they are called leaky transform fault. Leaky stands for the basaltic magma coming up. That's it. So San Andreas fault is a leaky transform fault. Our fracture zone in the Asian continent, within the Asian continent, is a leaky transform fault. It is opening up a sea. Could follow this point. Now, suppose I am just out of context. See, suppose let us draw the Indian crust. Say Maharashtra area. Maharashtra area, you are standing on a gneiss. Over that, Deccan lava is sitting. Deccan lava is sitting. So how I am drawing is this is a cone of Deccan lava. Below which you have this gneiss. You have this gneiss. Understand, na? You have a gneiss, very thick gneiss. What is the thickness of Deccan lava? Hardly 2 kilometers. Say 2 kilometers. Compared to the lithosphere, you know, or the crust, it is nowhere. So it is very thin, you know, just gets it type of thing. Could follow this point? Now imagine there is a transform fault or the strike slip fault, simple strike slip fault within the gneiss. Gneiss के अंदर एक strike slip fault है, बहुत पुराना strike, it is a very old continent. So there is a strike slip fault here. से ऐसे करते हैं strike slip fault यहाँ काट करके निकल गया है. I have to understand this part, you know. ऐसा. So cut. Are you able to understand this diagram? Below you have gneiss in which there is a strike slip fault. So now, suppose there is a movement along this strike slip fault. Strike slip fault ऐसा, ऐसे मतलब ऐसा है, movement ऐसे होगा. What arrow I have given? It's a movement. So when this movement takes place, na, even you forget those aerosol arrangements. That you forget. Simple one fault is there. No arrangement even. No arrangement even. Just one transfer, one strike slip, which you say the transparent. Suppose this fault is there and there is some movement. Now over this basalt is lying. Basalt is overlying this. Now you just see, imagine you have a thin sheet of bed sheet. Below you have a block, you know, and the block is moving. That is what is happening. आप एक बेडशीट डाल दो एक टेबल का ऊपर, टेबल का दो ऐसे कर दो. That is what is happening. Now what will happen to the bedsheet? Will it remain just flat as it is? It will not remain flat. It will not remain flat. So what will happen to the bedsheet? They will be also crumpled, you know. They will be crumpled. कैसे crumpling होगा? Now, if the movement is like this, left lateral movement. So what you will do? You just draw a ellipse like this. If ellipse like this ऐसे draw कर देना. Ellipse draw करने के बाद what information you are getting? There will be stretching this way. We are only discussing one fault only, not वो तो combination of fault हम discussion कर रहे थे overlapping area में क्या हो रहा है. Even if you have one fault only, one fault where you have a movement, understand? ellipse joining these arrows. So there will be stretching this way, there will be stretching this way. So there will be shortening this way, shortening this way. अब जो movement कर रहा है. So this bed sheet will now behave as per this 4 arrows. So the decant trap, the bed sheet which is lying over it, they will just tear apart, ऐसे ये है ना आपका fault. नीचे. Now you are moving like this, so there is a tearing this way, ऐसे tearing. तो decant trap का अंदर ऐसे सब fault create होगा. You are tearing like this ना. So here some normal fault develop कर जाएंगे ऐसे ऐसे. Imagine अब एक बेडशीट है उसका खींच रहा है तो कट रहा है ना इधर इधर कट रहा है. So there will be depressions, elevations. So over decant trap overlying this fault, we have topography is like this, faulted topography. So nothing has deformed the decant trap. Deformation is taking place here. Just you are overlying it, So you have to undergo this sort of, skin deformation. Okay, you are overlying it and something is going inside, And you see this way compression is going on, pressing is happening. So this way there will be pressing over decant trap. So that will also create some thrust force. So warps. You are understanding or not? From this side you are pressing. You are not pressing physically the decant trap, but because the block which is supporting it, is under disturbance now. One way it is being stretched, another way it is being pressed, So the decant trap overlying it will behave this way. So you may find normal faults on the decant trap. You may find some warps, That means if you interpret those warps out of something has been pressed decant trap, that is not correct. Just because it is an apron overlying a transparent fault or a transparent fault inside, so they will behave in this way. So this is called skin tectonics. Skin में होता है ये, अंदर में कुछ जब होता है, तो skin behaves like this. हम ऊपर से thin skin tectonics. You understand this part? So decant trap will behave like this. Similarly, suppose you have a thin apron of sediments. Sediment पड़े हैं. नीचे एक ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉल्ट और स्ट्राइक स्लिप फॉल्ट इज गोइंग ऑन. सो द ओवरलाइंग सेडिमेंट्स, नीचे तो चुपचाप बैठा है, वो खाली स्ट्राइक स्लिप फॉल्ट हो रहा है. नीचे स्ट्राइक स्लिप फॉल्ट खाली हो रहा है, उसको ना फोल्डिंग हो रहा है ना कुछ हो रहा है. दिस इज जस्ट मूविंग लाइक दिस, ब्रिटल डिफॉर्मेशन हो गया. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिफॉर्मेशन, व्हाट इज ओवरलाइंग इट, दे विल अंडरगो दिस टेक्टोनिक्स. एक साइड से खींच जाएगा, एक साइड से कंप्रेस होगा. Understand this part, na? So decant trap will behave that. These are called thin skin tectonics. So these thin skin tectonics also you will get today. You will see in the subduction zone also. So these are transfer margin tectonics. Vertical rip. वो तो एक हो रहा है, surfacially you are seeing opening up. Similarly, suppose there is thin apron of sedimentary cover somewhere on this. Over this there are some sedimentary covers here. So they will be all deformed as per this stress field. इधर से आप प्रेस हो रहा है, इधर से आप. So this you remember. Now we will go to two more transfer margins, then we will go to subduction zone today. See, वो एक ट्रांसफर मार्जिन देखा ना आपको. लास्ट 4 बोल रहा था ना, see ना, San Andreas Fault. San Andreas Fault going through Bay of California. Right lateral, right hand aneurysm. Understand the right hand aneurysm का मतलब? See the right hand aneurysm. If you go along this fault, the next fault lies to your right. That is right hand aneurysm. And this shear sense is this. Right lateral. Lateral and aneurysm, these are two different terms. Right? So here is the opening. So this is a liquid transform part. Because the basin is opening up. Now, so these things we will discuss later. Now we will go to the next one. This is New Zealand part. Now, in a broader way, let us see fast. Otherwise, just by showing New Zealand, it may create some problem. Broader way means where is New Zealand? Here. Understood na? New Zealand is here. So this is Pacific plate, this is subductive. Under Australian plate, you can say Indo-Australian plate. So these subduction zone, right from Aleutian Trench to Japan, then Philippines, Mariana, Mariana, famous Mariana Trench, the deepest trench in the world, Then this is Philippines Trench, just bifurcating. Then coming this side, this is Bismarck Trench, Solomon Trench, like so many names, This is what trench, Kuril Trench, Japan Trench, different names are there. We will discuss this in the trench today, subduction zone. So here aake this takes a turn, How sharp it takes a turn? Subduction zone takes a turn and comes like this. When you see this thing, just I am drawing a bigger thing, then only you will understand the transfer margin. So this is Australia. New Zealand is somewhere, here. There are two islands, Northern Island, Southern Island. ये एक छोटा सा, ये एक छोटा सा है. This is the New Zealand. तो subduction zone is ऐसे आके takes a sharp turn here, करके करके ऐसा आता है, ऐसा आता है. Something like that. Details you will see. So this is your New Zealand. I will just enlarge this view. So the location of New Zealand you understood, na? So this is the Pacific plate going down the Australian Sea. That is the subduction zone we are talking about. So here you will see the alpine fault, the transform fault. It is not after Alps. Alps is in Himalayan Alps. Himalaya or Switzerland Alps. Now, how it is drawn, you see. I'll draw the detail one. Northern Island, then Southern Island starts from here, it goes like this. You see this subduction zone. What is thermodynamic trench is there? Tonga thermodynamic trench. Here is the subduction. Antarctica plate or Indo-Australian plate is this side. Australia is here. Then the range what he is showing is somewhere here, this side. Where is the arrows, can you see? Or triangles, can you see? Yes. This is the arrangement. Mercury Trench. You can write down these things. Some Mercury Trench. This is your Tonga Thermodynamic Trench. Bermuda Triangle. ठीक है ना? Just I ask you, this is a continental plate, microcontinental plate. I have told you that there are many major, there are some seven major plates. I will show you a list. 7 major plates. You remember na? Very easy to remember, just like your continents. What is the names? Major is say African plate, Pacific plate, North America, South America, Indo-Australia, then Antarctica. सब 6 हो गया और कौन सा एक रह गया? Smaller plates, major plates I'm telling you. Eurasia. Like this, you have 7 major plates. Indo-Australia को एक करेंगे तो 7 होगा. Indo-Australia को अलग करेंगे तो 8 होगा. This remember. Either 7 plates or 8 plates. And you have then micro plates, minor plates and micro plates. Depending on the area. I have a list. I will just show you. So this is a smaller plate, New Zealand plate, you can see. A part of Indo-Australian plate or Antarctica plate. So this is a continental plate. So these are the margins. Subduction zone, subduction. Can you tell me, this subduction zone is continuous one. This is subducting which way? Towards north. This is subducting to south. Why it is happening? Are you able to see this thing? They are subducting in different way. This is subducting this side. This is subducting this side. Opposite way na. This is your Pacific plate. Pacific plate. See this thing? Why they are subducting in different way? It depends on the whether it is a oceanic plate with a continent plate, or oceanic plate with an oceanic plate, or a continent plate with a continent plate. The convergence, how does it occur? So along this margin you see a ocean plate is meeting a continent plate. So subduction has to be towards continent. Always remember, continent is lighter. That is why subduction happened that way. Now this case, New Zealand case, this Southern Island case, here is the continent. So this is subducting the other way. That is the thing. So follow this point now. Now, this is a single subduction zone. Same subduction zone, but showing different way or polarity is called. Polarity. Direction of subduction is called polarity. This तरह आप subduct करते हैं. Now, how to join these two things? That is the thing. One plate is subducting towards north, and this part is subducting towards south. That is why he is joining with a transfer margin. The transfer margins are created because of this reason only. When a subduction zone has different way of subduction, one is northern, another is south, then they are caught by this transfer margins. So you do right lateral or left lateral. This is going down. This plate is going up. This plate is going up. Like this. क्या मार्क दिया है देखो आप, क्या मार्क इधर दिया है, नहीं देख सकता है. व्हाइट कलर नहीं दिख रहा है, इतना बड़ा है. नहीं आप दोनों आंसर दे रहे हो, आप देख नहीं सकते. Can you see na? White arrows, huh? You understood the reason why it is like that, na? Or no? Why not left lateral? Why right lateral? You see this subduction किस तरफ जा रहा है? ये नीचे घुस रहा है ना? This plate is riding on. तो ये plate यूं जा रहा है. तो ये ब्लॉक उधर मूव करेगा. Similarly come this side. ये subduction इस तरफ हो रहा है. तो ये override कर रहा है. That is why it is right lateral. Dexter. So this is your alpine fault. Can you imagine? It goes over the continent, you know. Land mass के ऊपर लोग बहुत घर बना रहे हैं. It is highly heavy. Locally I have visited this area. They have a lot of cues. Cues you understand? Na cues there is a bird, you know. They domesticate it. And when this earthquake comes, na, they will start screaming. They are called, the New Zealand people are called Kiwis. You must have heard queues have come for playing the cricket. इंडिया के लिए कुछ नहीं है, nothing symbolizes Indians, you know. So they Australians are called kangaroos, you know. So here lot of villages are there, habitations are there, but they are very poor people, you know. Not like San Andreas people. They are highly, you know, cultured, sophisticated, you know. So their buildings are very big buildings are there. Though over a continental transform plate, a transform margin, earthquakes are happening regularly, but nothing happens there. No damages. Very little damage happens there. But here, people are generally poor. I have gone to this place. There is a conference. So you will realize, you know, suppose today you have gone in such a time, you know, there is minor tremor, you know, you will realize. So before that, these Jewish birds, you know, they will start flying. They could understand, you know, any earthquake comes, there are certain symptoms. It does not come just suddenly. It gives some symptoms, you know, mild vibration takes place. So generally, for those mild vibrations, these cows, the cattle, they are very sensitive. The birds, they are very sensitive. Those mild vibrations. आप कभी कबूतर देखा होगा? कबूतर आप वो रूम में बैठा है, आप थोड़ा इधर का ऐसे कर दो, will fly away. Very sensitive, you know, to these mild vibrations. They don't listen your sound. वो साउंड कभी नहीं सुनते, बट वो वाइब्रेशन इतना कम होता है ना, they could sense it. Like that, you know, if there is a mild tremor comes, they could sense it. They will just fly इधर उधर. So the people will come out of their house. So these Jewish birds, you know, they are indicator of these earthquakes. Just like in India, you know, earlier days, you know, people used to use these kettles. So what this kettle can also understand this minor vibration. Nowadays they do not have kettles also. So even the water table in the well, you know, it goes up. But we do not observe those things, you know. We do not observe those things. So we are stuck up within the earthquake. And moreover, we have built our houses, you know, without taking care of any seismicity hazards. That is also major reason. Okay, anyway, so this is a transform margin which occurs within the continent, within the land mass. So if you walk over this, so those conference group people, so they took us over these transform margins quite such long distance, showing us how a part is depressed, how one part is elevated. Why? Same reason. Because this transform margin is not a single fault, you know. It has many things like this, you know, within that. Echelon arrangements. So because of these echelon arrangements, some part is pressed, some part is uplifted. So those topography are the expression of this strength, arrangement and the shear. You understand this part? Now, so this is your alpine fault. Huh? New Zealand Alps. You can say these are New Zealand Alps. Very high, it's full of snow only. So over the snow you have to do field work. Very entirely. So these are called New Zealand Alps. Alpine fault. Similarly, there are other faults also. I will just show you. So this part, you just see that it's not. Can you imagine where it is? South America. This is Cocos Plate. One is a Cocos Plate. These are minor plates, you know. Cocos Plate is one. South of South America. This is Cocos Plate. So this is a subduction zone here. Both sides you have subduction zones. See, minor plates now, they are not well defined margins. A plate, one side there should be mid-oceanography, other side should be a subduction zone. Both sides you should have transfer margins. That is the ideal plate. That is possible only in case of major plates. Like suppose India, you know. India. You have mid-oceanic ridges here, M1. Then this is the transfer margin. There are two transfer margins, you know. How when this is your 90 is 3. That is clear for subduction zone here in the Sanko-Switzer. So like this, all these major plates they have, but these minor plates and micro plates, very small in size, few thousand square kilometer area, you know. So like this, you know, Cocos plate is one. Where is that? Yeah, Cocos plate is one. Caribbean, this is small plates, you see. They may not have well-defined margin. Caribbean plate, you see. But these small plates, they are called minor plates, not small plates. Minor plates. Here is I'm telling Cocos, Caribbean. Caribbean, you know what is called? West India. Caribbean plate. There is one more which says Scotia. Scotia plate. I will show you one. Caribbean is equal to Scotia. ऊपर में है कपड़ा. Now you just see these two things. Scotia is which one? Scotia is this. This is Scotia, na? This is Scotia. Scotia is Antarctic one. It's not connected to this one. I'll draw it. Just a minute. I think I am little confusing you regarding the location of these plates. One is South America. No, this is North America, isn't it? Here is South America. That is your Caribbean and Cocos. Here, this one. Cocos and Caribbean. So minor plates are there. Here is Cocos and here is Caribbean. Spelling पर देख लेना. South America इधर जाएगा. Antarctica is here. Antarctica. So here, from here, Scotia. S-C-O-T-A, Scotia plate. Now minor plates or micro plates. So there, fluidity transfer margin here, Cocos plate में. Intermediate and irrigation, and this is a subduction zone. Let us see where you put this. Then the depth for this. Maybe this one, you know. This one or somewhere here in the case of Scotia plate, this is South America. This is Antarctica. So both margins, this margin, you see this margin. There are left lateral, the right slip transfer margins. Scotia plate, well defined plates. Well defined transfer margin. But in case of this Cocos, where is the transfer margin? Blue color one is subduction zone, light blue color is transfer margins. This one. These are the transfer margins. These are the transfer margins. These are the transfer margins. So what is this transfer margins? Like this one is the transfer margin. Here is right here. Transfer margin, transform fault. This color, these are the transform faults. So the transform faults passes close to the continent. So creating seismicity. This much it is right. But major transform faults you should remember, some of these important transform faults. Okay. Now with this, we will finish this transfer margin. We will go to subduction zone. Because if file I will just send it to you. let us go to subduction function. So, subduction जोड़ने से और collision of margin और convergence convergent margin then collision of margin also comes from there. Like this, huh? Now see, I'll just show you the cartoon again.